Imagine typing a few words and getting a complete article, a beautiful image, a computer program, or even a song. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? But how is this possible? The answer is a technology called generative AI. Today we will understand generative AI in a simple and practical way. Hello everyone and welcome to Riaz Academy. Artificial intelligence is changing the world rapidly. One of the most exciting developments in recent years is generative AI. Millions of people now use generative AI tools every day. But what exactly is generative AI? Let us find out. Generative AI is a type of artificial intelligence that can create new content. Instead of only analyzing information, it can generate something new. For example, text, images, music, videos, and computer code. That is why it is called generative AI. The word generate means to create. Many popular AI tools use generative AI. For example, ChatGPT can generate text. AI image tools can create pictures. AI music tools can generate music. And AI coding assistants can help write computer programs. These tools are becoming increasingly common in everyday life. Generative AI learns from large amounts of data. During training, it studies patterns, relationships, and structures within information. After training, it can use what it learned to create new content that resembles human work. However, it does not think like humans. It uses patterns learned from data. Generative AI offers many benefits. It can help people learn faster, save time, generate ideas, improve productivity, and support creativity. Students, teachers, writers, researchers, and businesses are already benefiting from these tools. Despite its power, generative AI is not perfect. Sometimes it may generate incorrect information. It can also make mistakes. Therefore, important information should always be verified. Human judgment remains essential. The future of generative AI is very promising. We may see more advanced tools in education, healthcare, business, research, and communication. As technology improves, generative AI will likely become an important part of daily life. Generative AI should be viewed as a helpful tool. It should support human creativity, not replace it. The best results often come when humans and AI work together. So today we learned what generative AI is, how it works, its benefits, its limitations, and its future potential. Generative AI is one of the most important technologies of our time. Understanding it today can help us prepare for tomorrow. Thank you very much for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share, and subscribe to Riaz Academy. Keep learning, keep improving, and keep moving towards the future. Goodbye.